Hi! In front of me is Nokia T21 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. After that, install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. As you can see, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!